Yeah. So, in the last class, I was explaining to you about the modification of the taproot system and modification of the adventitious root system. So, in the modification of the taproot system, we have seen different types of modification. Modification for the storage of food, modifications for respiration, modification for the that you can see in case of epiphytic roots. Okay. And when it came to adventitious root modification, we have seen modifications in mechanical support. Okay. So we have seen various types of modifications in the root. Now in this class we will deal with another important part of the shoot system, that is called as bud. Okay. Okay. Bud. What do you mean by bud? Bud is an compact, underdeveloped. Bud is an compact, underdeveloped shoot. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಬಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. Okay. And it is underdeveloped. Okay, underdeveloped. So underdeveloped andre enu, which is very young, which is not fully developed. Adakke ನಾವು underdeveloped anta antivi. And it shoot. So it is found in the shoot system. Shoot system alli adu iruttade. Bud andre ಏನು? It is a compact, underdeveloped shoot stem which give rise to leaves, branches and flowers. Okay. Sometimes it also give rise to roots. It also give rise to roots. Okay. Okay. So bud andre ಏನು? ಅದು ಶೂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ. ಬಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is an compact, it is an underdeveloped shoot which give rise. So ನಮ್ಮ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಗಳು, ಹೂಗಳು ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಬಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. So in bud there are two types are there. So have you taken down this definition of bud? Yeah, students, say please yes or no. Yes. Okay. So these buds are classified into two types. It has been classified into two types. When this bud is found on the stem tip, bud stem tip alli ittandre adakke ನಾವು we call it as an apical bud, or it is also called as an terminal bud anta antivi. So this is the stem. ಈ stem tip alli there is a bud. So ಈ bud we call it as an terminal bud. buds which is found on other parts of the shoot. Okay, so our buds ಗಳಿಗೆ we call it as lateral bud ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಟಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಪಿಕಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಟಿಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಶೂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are 3 types are there. One is called as an axillary. Okay, axillary. Lateral buds alli 3 types idave. Axillary, sub-axillary, sub-axillary and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು extra axillary. Extra, okay, extra axillary ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Lateral bud andre bud which is found on any other part of the shoot system, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು lateral bud ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಈ lateral bud ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are 3 types are there. One is axillary bud and another one is sub-axillary bud and the third one is extra axillary bud. So what do you mean by axillary bud? What do you mean by this axillary bud? Axillary bud andre enu? If I draw a stem and if I draw a leaf here, okay, there is a leaf plane. Okay, you can imagine it from a 3-dimensional point of view. There is a leaf plane ide. So ee stem ge matte leaf plane madhyadinda if a bud arises, adakke we call it as an axillary bud anta antivi. Okay, so in between the stem and the leaf plane, this is the stem and this is the leaf. So illinda ಒಂದು bud bantandre adakke we call it as an axillary bud anta antivi. Axillary bud andre enu? The bud which arises between the stem and the leaf plane, adakke ನಾವು axillary bud anta antivi. Sub-axillary bud andre enu? The bud which arises between the axillary bud and the stem. So is stem alli there is an axillary bud already ide. ಈ axillary bud ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ stem ಈ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ if any bud arises, that bud is called as sub-axillary bud anta antivi. Sub-axillary bud arises between axillary bud and the stem. And what do you mean by extra axillary bud? Extra axillary bud which arises opposite to the axillary bud. Axillary bud opposite ge adu arise aguttade. So ee bud ge ನಾವು extra axillary bud anta antivi. Yakandre this bud is opposite to the axillary bud. This bud is opposite to the ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್, it is an underdeveloped shoot which gives rise to leaves, branches, flowers, and sometimes it also gives rise to root. Okay, so e bud alli there are majorly, it is classified into two types. If the bud arises at the stem tip, ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಟಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಪಿಕಲ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಬಡ್ ಅರೈಸಸ್ in so if the bud arises on anywhere, stem tip ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are three types are there: axillary bud, sub axillary bud ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ bud which arises in between stem and leaf axis. Stem ಮತ್ತೆ leaf plane ಮಧ್ಯದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಬಡ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಡ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. And if the bud arises opposite to the axillary bud, opposite ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರದ್ದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್ ಅರೈಸಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಲೀಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಲೀಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, okay student, now you take down the definition of bud. Okay, bud is an compact. Okay, so have you taken down the definition of bud? I think you have taken down. It is already here. It is already here. Okay, yes. Okay, so on the base, buds can be classified. Okay, now you can write it down. Buds can be classified this on the basis of location. Buds can be classified on the basis, BASIS, basis of location. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಅಪಿಕಲ್ ಬಡ್. ಅಪಿಕಲ್ ಬಡ್, APICAL, ಅಪಿಕಲ್ ಬಡ್. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೈಟ್ TERMINAL, ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಬಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಬಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಅರೈಸಸ್ from the stem tip. Bud which arises from the stem tip, TIP, tip. Okay. Next point ಬರ್ರಿ. Point number 2, lateral buds, LATERAL. TERAL, lateral bud. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಾಕಿ buds which arise from any other part of the shoot, from any other part of the shoot. Shoot andre ಏನು? Stem. Shoot except the stem tip. Except the stem tip. Okay. Next point bariri. Lateral bud can be classified into 3 types. Lateral bud is classified into 3 types. Classified into 3 types. ಮೊದಲನೇದು axillary bud. Okay, AXILLARY, axillary bud. Dash haki. Lateral bud arising. Lateral bud arising between the BETWEEN, between the leaf plane, PLANE, leaf plane, and the stem. Next point bariri, sub axillary bud. Sub, SUB, sub axillary bud. Okay. Lateral bud arising from the lateral bud arising between the axillary bud and the stem. Between the axillary bud and stem. Next point to extra axillary. EXTRA, extra axillary. AXILLARY, extra axillary. Okay. Dash aki. Lateral bud which arises. Lateral bud which arises opposite. Okay, opposite to the axillary bud. Lateral bud which arises opposite to the axillary bud. Okay. So you can please take these diagrams. You please take this diagram, matte this diagram, and this diagram. So you please draw these 3 diagrams. Okay. Yeah. Now next, buds can be classified on the basis of its fate. Andre buds which give rise to what type of organs? Iga namdu hanebara, so adakke we call it as fate. You can become an engineer, a doctor, a scientist. Ade tara bud can become a leaf or a fruit, or a flower or a branch. Okay, so buds can be classified on the basis of its fate, FATE, fate. Okay, so idralli if the bud which give rise to, okay, I think you can better rise. I will tell to you. I will tell to you. I will tell to you. Okay, Shilpa, I will tell you what do you mean by this this bryofilm thing. Okay, okay. So okay, so that you can take down this point on the basis of fate, on the basis of fate, FATE, fate. Okay, buds can be classified into, buds can be classified into, buds can be classified into vegetative bud. Okay, buds can be classified into vegetative bud, buds can be classified into vegetative bud. Okay, next is floral bud, floral bud. Next to mixed bud. Okay, based on its fate, buds can be classified into vegetative bud, floral bud, athwa mixed bud. Vegetative bud andre ಏನು? What do we mean by vegetative? Vegetative andre it is a part of the plant which will not involve in sexual reproduction. ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಮ್, ಲೀಫ್, ರೂಟ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಈಗ ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟು stem ಅಥವಾ leaf or bud. ಇದು stem, leaf ಅಥವಾ roots. stem ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇದು branches. Okay, bud which can give rise to branches, leaf and roots. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ in the sexual reproduction. Next to floral bud. Floral andre enu? Flower. The name itself explains. Bud which give rise to the flower. And flower is a modified shoot meant for sexual reproduction. So flower andre ಏನು? Where the shoot is modified into reproductive, sexual reproductive structure. So ಈ floral bud andre ಏನಂದ್ರೆ this bud give rise to flowers. Mixed bud andre ಏನು? So in the growth of plants there are two seasons are there. Reproductive season ಮತ್ತೆ non reproductive season. Non reproductive season ದಲ್ಲಿ it will grow, ಅದು grow ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Reproductive season ದಲ್ಲಿ it will give rise to the flowers, fruits and seeds. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು reproductive season ಅಂತಂತೀವಿ. ನಾನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ದಾಗ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಗ್ರೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ bud ಅನ್ನೋದು it will give rise to stem, root and leaves. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ reproductive season ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ it gives rise to what? It gives rise to vegetative parts. So ಇದೇ ಬಡ್ in the reproductive season ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ it gives rise to flowers. Non reproductive season ದಲ್ಲಿ it gives rise to vegetative parts. ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಸ್ಟೆಮ್, ರೂಟ್, ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂತೀವಿ. ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ parts which are not involved in the sexual reproduction. Okay, so non reproductive season dalli the mixed bud give rise to the vegetative parts, and in the reproductive season anta bandaga this mixed bud it gives rise to the flower. Okay, so ಈ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, so you take down the definition of vegetative bud. Okay, vegetative bud ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಾಕಿ give rise to vegetative 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 parts parts bracket dalli stem, leaves, roots. Stem, leaves, roots. Okay, next point floral bud. Okay, bud give rise to flower. Bud give rise to flower. Okay, flower. Okay, so what and one more definition is mixed bud. Mixed bud andre mixed bud dash akri. So during reproductive season bud give rise to flowers. Bud give rise to flowers. Okay, and in non reproductive season bud will give rise to vegetative parts. Bud will give rise to vegetative parts. Okay, now the class is going to close in another 10 minutes. So what I am going to do is I am going to end the class now and restart now itself. So I request all these students to rejoin once again in the class. Okay, hello student, are you agreeing with me? Okay, so these students, I am going to end the meeting now and I am going to restart it again. Okay, right. See you then. Let's continue with the other things. Next is modification of buds. Okay, normally bud eno, it gives rise to stem, it gives rise to branches, it gives rise to roots, and it gives rise to flowers ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಬಡ್ಗೆ they will show additional modifications. Okay, so these additional modifications ಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು modifications, morphological modifications in the bud ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, ಮೊದಲನೇ modification, I'll write it down. The first modification, it is called as bulbil, bulbil, bulbil. So ಈ bulbil modification ದಲ್ಲಿ there is a stem and it is having a leaf. It is having a leaf. Okay, it is having a leaves. ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, and here it gives rise to some buds. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ buds ಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ. Okay, these buds, when they separate from the main plant, they give rise to a new plant. It gives rise to a new individual, new plant. So these buds which involve in vegetative propagation, vegetative propagation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಎರಡು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಾರ್ದ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಗಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಗಾವೆ. ಅಗಾವೆ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ buds are there. So these buds, when they separate from the main plant, they give rise to new individuals. So what is the role of this bud? The role of this bud is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಟೂ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ಟೂ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಫೋರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ರೋಸ್, ರೋಸ್ ಗಿಡವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತೀರಾ? ರೋಸ್ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬೀಜ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ, ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಇಂಟು ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತರ ದೀಸ್ buds, when they separate from the main plant, they will develop into new individual. So hence these buds are modified for vegetative propagation. Bulbil andre enu? It is a bud modified for vegetative propagation. Here you can see there is an axillary bud. So these axillary bud is modified into this spring like structures. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? These type of structures are found in weak stems. ವೀಕ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮು ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಓವರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ವಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೀಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ tendrils. Okay, tendrils are the modifications of the axillary bud which helps the plant to climb over a wall or a tree. So adakke yes, okay, support bere, but it will help the plant to climb over the substratum, and also it is used for support. So e modifications ge we call it as tendrils anta antivi. Next one is the axillary bud is modified into sharp structures, strong, this hard structure. Why is the reason for such a modification? Yake? Why the bud is modified into such sharp, strong, hard structures? Adak, yes, absolutely. It is protection from animals, protection from grazers. Grazers andre enu? Leaf annu tinno, leaf stem annu tinno ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೇಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಗ್ರೇಸರ್ಸ್ ದಿಂದ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ್ buds are modified into sharp hardened structure. Adakke we call it as what? We call it as thorns anta antivi. Thorns andre enu? Where the axillary bud is modified into sharp hardened structure for protecting the plant from the grazers. Grazers ದಿಂದ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ modification ಇದಾವೆ. In some plants like this bryophyllum, ಈ bryophyllum ಅನ್ನೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ what can you see here is at the leaf margin ಅಂದ್ರೆ at the end of the leaf there are buds irtave. These buds, they give rise to new individuals. It can give rise to new plants. Such buds which are found on the leaves, adakke we call it as foliar bud anta antivi. Bud which is found on the leaves, adakke ನಾವು foliar bud anta antivi. So in an example, so idakke example yaudu? Bryophyllum. ಈ bryophyllum ಎಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ there are buds are there which can give rise to new individuals. Such type of bud ge ನಾವು foliar bud anta antivi. Okay, and example for this thorns, thorn example yaudu? It is duranta, duranta. Duranta is an example for thorn. and the example for this tendril, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ the example is cucurbita. ಸೊ ಈ ಕುಕ್ಕುರ್ಬಿಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕ್ಯೂಕಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕುಕ್ಕುರ್ಬಿಟ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. CUCURBITA, ಕುಕ್ಕುರ್ಬಿಟ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ now you can take down the modifications in bud. Okay, every bud is capable to give, one nimsha, every bud is capable to give rise to a new bud, or there are some false buds in bryophyllum. See, every bud illa artha idu ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. in bryophyllum leaf, ಬ್ರಯೋಫಿಲಮ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ, ನಾನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲೀಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ there are buds which give rise to new individuals, new plants. Such buds which are found on the leaves, adakke we call it as leaf buds athwa foliar bud anta antivi. And what is the additional function of this bud? It's vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation andre enu? Sexual reproduction irlarda multiplication agodakke ನಾವು vegetative propagation ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. So have you understood, Prithvi? Not every bud, I'm speaking the bud which grows on the leaf margin dalli iruva bud is having the ability to give rise to a new individual. Okay, modifications in the bud barkoli. Okay, ಮೊದಲನೇ modification bulbil, BULBIL, bulbil. Okay, buds modified into swollen structures. Swollen, SWOLLEN, swollen structures. Okay, comma ki, these structures when separated from the main plant, these structures when separated from the main plant give rise to new individual. It gave rise to new individual. Okay, so adakke example yaudu? Agave, AGAVE. Have you seen agave? Have any one of you seen this agave plant? adu nodakke aloe vera plant ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಾ? Have you seen this aloe vera? So ಈ aloe vera plant ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, but it is very big. It is very big in size. So ಆ example ಗೆ ನಾವು agave ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, so agave ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, next modification, bud modified into, okay, so adakke you write the name tendril, TENDRIL, tendril. So dash haki axillary bud. Okay. modified into coiling, coiling. Okay, coiling structures, which support the plant, which support the weak stem anta haki, which support the weak stem, which support the weak stem in climbing, climbing, climbing. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ CUCURBITA, ಕುಕ್ಕುರ್ಬಿಟ, ಕುಕ್ಕುರ್ಬಿಟ. Okay. Okay. Next modification, THORNS, thorn, thorns. Buds modified into hardened, 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 sharp structures. Okay, sharp structures for protection against grazers, GRAZERS, grazers. Okay, and ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದುರಂತ, DURANTA, ದುರಂತ. Okay. Okay. Next to buds, next to FOLIAR, 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 ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಫ್ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲೀಫ್ ಬಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಾಕಿ, buds which are in the margin of leaf, buds which are in the margin, MARGIN, margin of leaves. Okay, okay. These buds involve in vegetative propagation. These buds involve in vegetative propagation, PROPAGATION, vegetative propagation. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬ್ರಯೋಫಿಲಮ್, BRYOPHYLLUM, bryophyllum. Okay, bryophyllum. Okay, so this completes about the details of bud andre enu, what are the types of bud, and what are the modifications of bud. So ee concept dalli, is there any doubts? If it is there, you please do inform me now. Do I need to explain any concept again? If there is any concept to be explained again, I will explain it for you. You please do inform me. Okay. Okay. So in the next class, I'll be explaining to you about the STEM. STEM andre enu, what are the different types of STEM, what are the different STEM modifications. We will be explaining in the next class. Okay. So this class will be again uploaded in the app. You please go through it again if you are having any doubts in it. Okay. So see you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.